is the CX-1 by Robotic. It's a completely cordless robotic pool cleaner. It comes with this hook so you can retrieve it from the pool. I'll show you this later in the video. On the front it's marked forward here. One of the innovative features of the CX-1 is that it will enter the pool on its own if you choose a daily or weekly cleaning cycle. So as long as you have the cleaner on the pool side pointed towards the pool, it'll enter the pool on its own. On the back of the cleaner is this very easy to use menu. Okay, you simply turn the power on here. Then you have daily, weekly, floors and wall, and floor only. If you set the cleaning cycle for the CX-1 for 1 day, it'll run for 4.5 hours and it'll turn itself off when the battery is exhausted. If you put it for a weekly schedule, the first day it'll come on for 1 hour, day 2 through 7 it'll come on for 30 minutes each of those days. And then on day 7, you want to remove it from the pool and charge it up. It's designed to stay in the pool for the whole week to clean your pool thoroughly. And the CX-1 has 2 very large debris ports, so the cleaner is designed to pick up very large leaf debris. On the bottom are these scrubbing brushes to loosen up dirt and debris. When the cleaning cycle is over and you need to remove the cleaner to empty the debris bag, simply attach the included hook to a standard pool pole and hook it onto the cleaner and pull it up to the surface. Let me show you the debris picked up here at this pool. Again, you simply unlatch the bag here, pulls right off, and you can see all the dirt and debris picked up here. You can see it does a great job with dirt, rocks, and leaves. Okay, to charge it up, you simply remove this plug, take this cord here, plug it in, and you would just plug it into your wall outlet. You'll see these 2 flashing lights indicating that it's charging. And the CX-1 by Robotic is truly a revolutionary robotic pool cleaner. It's completely cordless with an internal battery. It also has a control panel built right into the robotic pool cleaner, so there's no external power supply. The battery is designed to hold the charge for up to 7 days for a 7-day cleaning cycle. InyoPools.com is a proud sponsor of Swimming Pool Tips and have been helping pool owners find the right pool parts since 2001. With over 50,000 pool parts in stock, order online today and have your parts delivered right to your door.